Options are financial contracts that give an investor the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price before or at a specified expiration date. Unlike traditional stocks, where you purchase ownership in a company, options provide you with leverage. This means you can control a larger amount of stock with a relatively small investment. Options trading can be seen as a way to speculate on stock price movements or to hedge against potential losses in your investment portfolio. The two main types of options are call options and put options. A call option gives you the right to buy an asset at a specific price within a set time period, while a put option gives you the right to sell an asset under the same conditions. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial, as they form the backbone of options trading. With options, you can also benefit from price movements in both directions, allowing for greater flexibility compared to traditional stock trading. Options trading can be complex, and it's essential to recognize that it carries a level of risk. The potential for high rewards is often accompanied by the possibility of significant losses, particularly if you are unprepared or lack a solid understanding of how options function. Therefore, a comprehensive grasp of options fundamentals is vital before delving into trading strategies. Taking the time to learn about options will enable you to make informed decisions in the marketplace. To successfully navigate the options market, one must understand not only the mechanics of options, but also the factors influencing their pricing. Various elements such as the underlying stock's price, volatility, time until expiration, and interest rates affect option premiums. This interplay of factors is crucial in determining whether a trade will be profitable or not. By understanding these dynamics, you will be better positioned to assess risk and reward in your trading activities. The world of options trading is also populated with different market participants, including retail traders, institutional investors, and market makers. Each participant plays a distinct role in the options ecosystem, contributing to market liquidity and price discovery. Understanding these roles can provide valuable insights into market behavior, helping you to anticipate potential price movements and improve your trading strategies. As we progress through this course, we will delve deeper into the specific mechanics of options trading, including how to open an account, place trades, and develop your own strategies. By the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of options trading and be equipped with the tools needed to navigate this exciting financial market. It's crucial to approach options trading with a well-informed mindset, recognizing both the opportunities and risks inherent in this unique asset class. Ultimately, options trading can be a powerful addition to your investment toolkit. Whether you are looking to hedge against market volatility or seeking opportunities for higher returns, options offer a versatile approach to trading. Remember, the key to successful options trading lies in education, practice, and ongoing learning. Let's move on to the next lesson, where we will explore key terminology essential for understanding options trading.